If you've got any of these old garden chairs with the folding back, you might know that the hinges break on them over time. We've got 5 left, there's 4 over here, and this is the last one that needs fixing. So I'm going to show you how to fix the hinge once it's broken. This is one of the hinges, and here's the one that's broken. It's snapped, so once it's damaged like that with the sun, it's no longer working. So I'll show you how to fix it with 2 simple tie wraps here and 4 screws. Let's get started. Get the 4 screws out. That's 1. As easy. 2 coming out. So now we can take the other 2 out. That's coming out nice and easy. And there's one under here, which is a difficult one to get to. That's coming out. That's good. Get a big screwdriver in here, flat head. Get it prized out. And out it comes. Bit of brute force here, always gets it out. That's it. Let's put some new hinges in. Well, first we're going to drill a hole, 3 centimeters here. We've got to drill the hole in the middle of the tube, the hollow tube. So the middle is about there. So the hole, I would say, is about there. I think that would do it. That's 1 hole. Bit of pressure. And then straight through. And then when we've gone through the second side of the tube, hollow tube, we need to go through the frame under here. So this tie wrap is 45 centimeters long, and I think it's about 10 millimeters wide. So that's, 10 millimeters. So to make the hinge, we get the tie wrap and we form it into a loop. And you make the bottom side that's about right, just need to make it a bit smaller. So you make the loop, so the tail end is at this side of the loop, the square bit is sticking outwards, and we just need to squish this together like so, and then pop it in the hole there. So that is the hinge, and press it in, and then with this screw we put it in there, and that will connect to the other side of the loop, and then that goes through the base, and then there you've got yourself a hinge. Quite tight, but I think that's got it. Yeah, that's got it. Now, has it got it? Yeah, that's got that one. So we're good to go for the base now. Put this one in now. Again, using your pliers. Pop it in the hole and simply add another screw. That should be it. So all we have to do is set the back, which is nice and solid, and there you have a new chair, lasts for years.